Hi everybody, today's video is in 1967, this Scotty Gaucho, and I'm going to give you a tour of this. We are camping at Creekwood Farm RV Park in Waynesville, North Carolina. They've got a really nice spot here next to the creek. And nice awning up here. So we're going to give you a tour of the inside. Here's some of their accessories over here first. And what is your name?
Lena.
Lena. So Lena's gonna show us inside what everything is. You want to go ahead in?
Okay.
So Lena, when you bought this, what condition was it in?
It was, the metal was there and there was no wood.
Oh.
It was totally rotten.
Totally gutted out, huh?
Right.
No,
I mean, it
was the
wasn't-
kitchen and everything in here?
Yeah, these are the original cabinets.
Okay.
And it's over here too. And we just did the whole wood on the wall. And replaced the floor. Everything. We added a air conditioner in the bottom of the under the bed.
So you have to make sure. Oh, okay. There.
Under the bed.
So you
is
can't
air
block
conditioner.
that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we heat it with a little infrared heater. And we got little.
Oh, she's got little lights. So those are for nighttime, she said. They just put those on.
Yeah.
So there's the bed. Now does that bed go to a couch?
Yes.
So it
does.
slides in as a Gaucho couch.
It does.
Okay, and that's probably a full-size bed.
Yeah. And we got lights over here. And we got our little Scotty glasses.
Those are cute.
Found them at the antique market. And we added a microwave and an electric refrigerator. And all that storage underneath the seat.
Now, did you make the cushion covers
Yes, we did that.
and the
Cushion
curtains?
covers, yes.
Where did you find your fabric at?
Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby.
And the fabric is outdoor fabric from Walmart.
Oh, okay. And where did you find these placemats?
That was, I think that's a Walmart or Hobby Lobby place.
Very cute.
And a friend made that for me because
The horseshoe.
really good.
Okay.
Check out our little hoops up here.
It's a dog spot. You got one on each side.
We got a little fan here.
I have the same fan.
There's no one dog.
Little Scotty dog. Night light. Very cute. Alright, everybody, so I'm going to show you a little bit more of the outside. These
Yeah.
lights are vintage. Sorry for the lighting here. We're in bright sun. I love the big sunflower. So she said this radio works. It's all the little touches that make it. Alright, so I'm going to show you the back. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And hit the little bell after you hit the subscribe button. That'll give you an email every time I post a new video. Alright, everybody. I will see you on the next video. Happy camping. Bye.